Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see private account photos on Instagram. So if you want to see private account photos on Instagram without following the person, then you can't really do that. There are a couple workarounds that I'll show you, but there isn't any website or app that can actually show you a private account's photos. So don't fall for any of those scams. They are all scams, but there are a couple workarounds that you can do on the Instagram app. But first things first, to do that, you have to head over to the Instagram app. So on the Instagram app, there might be a couple people that you want to see their photos, even though they're privated. Then what you have to do to actually see their photos, the first thing that you can do is just request to follow them. 9 times out of 10, they'll just accept your request, and then you'll be able to see their photos. So you just do that by going to their profile and then requesting to follow them. Now, I realize that some of you guys don't want to do this because it'll send them a notification, but you don't really have to think about it too much. Just send it and they'll probably accept it. However, if you don't want to do this method, then there are still a couple of other things that you can do. Keep in mind though that this is probably just the best way to do it. Just request to follow them, and then you'll be able to see their photos if they accept your request. But the second thing that you can do, if you don't want them to know that it was actually you can go back to your homepage and then click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on your users and then create a new account. So if you create a new account that's not linked to your other accounts, they actually won't be able to tell that it's you at all, and you can request to follow them. They will probably accept the follow request, but some people won't, because if you just create a new account and then it doesn't have any photos on it and it's doesn't have a profile picture or anything, they might not accept it, but they also might. So you can just try that out too. Just make sure that there's no link between that profile you just created and your old profile. But as you can see here, the best way to actually do it is just to request to follow them. But the third way to do it is you can actually ask a friend who's already following them what their photos look like. So you can just ask them to send a screenshot of the profile to you, and then you'll be able to see all the photos. But like I said before, the best way to do it is just to request to follow them. They'll most likely accept your request, and then you'll be able to see all the photos. But that is how you see private accounts photos on Instagram. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.